Welcome. In this video we'll check how loud the Nokia XR20 can play music. I will take the measurement with this decibelometer and I will set it to the highest volume detection mode. So let me just turn it on and I will turn on this mode right now. As you can see, it's set up on the maximum, and it means that these numbers that you see here will only change when the volume level is higher than the previous one. So right now when I'm going to talk a little bit louder, hey, as you can see, it's only put here the highest level. So let's turn on the device and let's play this music at the highest quality and the highest volume level. So let's start. Okay, so as you can see, the loudest level of the Nokia XR20 speaker is on the 113 decibels. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.